In this You Can Cook episode, we shine the spotlight on wheat berries, which are the whole grains that are used to make wheat flours. In North America, we consume such a variety of products made with wheat flour, but to get the full benefits of the whole grain, wheat berries are the way to go. Think of wheat berries as the least processed edible form of wheat. The main thing to remember when it comes to cooking wheat berries is that they do take a longer time on the stove. Before you start, first rinse the grains under running water until water runs clear. Add them to a pot of boiling water and stir. Once the water starts to boil again, turn the heat down to low and let it simmer covered for 45 minutes to an hour. Half a cup of raw wheat berries will yield 1 1/8 cups cooked. Once done, wheat berries are a hearty addition to any salads or soups. For more healthy eating tidbits, go to healthcastle.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.